Chocolate is the most favored dessert of all time. Each year, around 7.2 million metric ton is consumed worldwide, accounting for a $14 billion market. Chocolate comes in variety of flavors and it's not only delicious, but it can also be healthy in few ways, including the release of chemicals into your system that relax you and give you a natural high. Depending on the type of chocolate and the brand, chocolate can greatly vary in price, from very affordable to extremely expensive. If you have ever wondered how much expensive chocolates could be, then keep watching this video to see what the 10 most expensive chocolates in the world would cost you. At number 10, we have Amdei Toscano Black Truffles. Truffles have been long recognized as some of the most luxurious delicates in the world. Amdei Toscano Black has combined three luxurious elements to create the luxurious delicacy that is almost too beautiful and too expensive to eat. Amdei Toscano is made with truffles, champagne, edible gold, and Swarovski's luxurious and costly crystals. This cocktail of brilliance has made its way in being one of the world's most costly chocolates. The chocolates cost around $294 or 22,000 rupees for a single box. Dalafee's Gold Edible Chocolate. Have you ever thought of eating gold? These chocolates are made with gold that is good enough to eat because it is eatable. The Switzerland Chocolate Company gets its coca beans from one of the best coca beans producers in Ecuador to produce some of the richest chocolates in the world, then decorate them with edible gold flakes. These chocolates are so luxurious that they sell for $508 or 38,600 rupees per box, which makes them one of the most expensive chocolates ever. Noka Chocolate was an American company founded by Canadian accountants Katrina Merrim and Noah Houghton that marketed itself as a chocolatier specializing in gourmet chocolate gifts. These chocolates are free from any soy lecithin or vanilla and made from 75% pure coca beans from Ecuador, Trinidad, Venezuela, and Côte d'Ivoire. In 2006, business website Forbes.com includes the Noka Vintage Collection among the list of the world's most expensive chocolates at $854 or 65,000 rupees per box. Michel Cluzel Box of Assorted Treats. Michel Cluzel has been making chocolates in the southern region of France to an exclusively high standard in the French chocolate making tradition since 1948. The box contains 400 handmade chocolates that can personalize as per customer's choice. One of these most expensive chocolates in the world will cost you around $895 or 68,000 rupees per box. Louis XVI by Devaux & Galles. Devaux & Galles is a French chocolate manufacturer founded by Sulpice Devaux in 1800. The company making this chocolate were the official suppliers of the great French kings and even Napoleon. With the class of dark chocolate with up to 99% coca, the company has surely made its mark in being the most expensive chocolates in the world. The chocolates cost around $1,900 or 68,000 rupees per box. Royal Collection of Gold and Diamond Chocolates. If you ever dreamed of eating gold, silver or diamonds, your dream is now possible thanks to Coca Gourmet's Royal Collection of Chocolates filled with sweet Granchi, a dark, semi-sweet combination of chocolate and cream. One box of gold and diamond chocolates comes with 12 pieces, 4 of them made with pure silver, 4 with 22 karat gold, and 4 with sweet diamonds. The box is bought as premium gift for weddings and other occasions. The box is certainly made its position in the most expensive chocolates in the world with a price around $1,250 or 1 lakh per box. Cadbury Wispa Gold Chocolate. Cadbury is one of the most popular chocolate companies in the world and they have produced a gold chocolate item called Wispa Gold that is a luxurious bar which is wrapped in an edible gold leaf. If you love chocolate, you definitely would know about Cadbury. They have been one of the leading companies in the chocolate industry and the chocolate bar did became the world's most expensive chocolate bar at the time of its launch. The UK company had this product on the market years ago, and it decided to relaunch and market it even more appealing and richier. The Cadbury-owned Whisper Gold cost around $1,600 or 1,21,000 rupees per box. Fritz Nifschild Chocopology Chocolate Truffle. The famous chef from Denmark, Fritz Nifschild, started its own chocolate company, which is named Nifschild Chocolatier in 1999. Nifschild created the La Madeleine truffle, which he made using 70% Verona dark chocolate and vanilla as the base ingredient. He adds truffle oil, sugar, and heavy cream to make the perfect smooth and rich chocolate blend that you will ever taste. The only thing is, this chocolate is so luxurious and expensive that you cannot just walk in and buy it from the store. The chocolate was once the world record holder of the most expensive chocolate in the world at a price around $2,600 or 2 lakhs for a box. Fabily Trinity Truffles Extraordinaire. The chocolate is owned by the Indian multinational company ITC's brand Fabily Exquisite Chocolates. This limited edition offering of chocolates will be encased in a handmade wooden box containing 15 truffles, each weighing around approximately 15 grams. The chocolate is available in 3 different variants. This chocolate is priced at around $5,546 or 4.3 lakhs per kg. The custom box of this chocolate is available at around $1,299 or at 1 lakhs. La Sorsa by Etimo Chocolate. With La Sorsa, Etimo Chocolate in Zurich created the most valuable chocolate in the world. The chocolate holds the current Guinness World Record of the most expensive chocolate in the world. La Sorsa consists of extremely rare Grand Cru chocolate that is made with coca beans from the village of Chao in Venezuela. The world's best chocolatiers sometimes have to place their order 19 years in advance to receive part of this chocolate. It is combined with a Swiss saffron from the Valais mountain village of Mund. Only 1.5 kilos a year are harvested from this spice, which makes it one of the rarest spices in the world. Etimo specialized in creating personalized chocolate products for companies from different industries with 6 exceptional flavors and 4 premium designs. This chocolatier's delicacy will cost you around $7,694 or 5,92,000 rupees per kg. A 80-gram bar will cost you around $658 or 50,000 rupees.